Hello everyone. What I want to say in this video today is do not reinvent the wheel. So what I mean is if you have an idea for a game that is similar to a game that is already out there, like it's already, released, when developing your game, it will benefit you to look at the mechanics of those similar games. Especially if you're thinking about creating a game that is influenced by a game that you've previously played. Do not think that you have to create an entire game from scratch. It is not illegal or against copyright laws to use ideas and mechanics of games, of other games. So do not feel bad either for copying the favorite parts of a game that you really like and that you really enjoy and making it your own. Most games out there have similar mechanics to other games, and many codes in the programming world are forks or copies of others. Pretty much games that have similar mechanics are usually grouped together into like genres. So don't feel bad for taking an idea that you see in other games and implementing it into your own game. So if a game's mechanic works, you can use it. You can use it. Don't feel bad about using it. Just make sure that you're not using the exact terms, names, and keywords mentioned in the rules of the game, since those are copyrighted. It can be copyrighted. The rules, the keywords, names, and terms of a game can be copyrighted, but the ideas of a game can't, and also the mechanics of the games can't. So that's the advice for you guys. So there's no point in creating a complex mechanic that works exactly your words than a mechanic that's already out there for you to use. So don't try to reinvent the wheel. It is much more cost and time effective to start with the known mechanic or idea and build on it until it becomes completely your own. But that's only if your game doesn't really require you to create something brand new that that you can't even see out there. So if your game has mechanics that or has your idea can be implemented using the mechanic that's already out there, there's really no point of you creating a whole new mechanic for it. So that's my advice for this video. Do not reinvent the wheel. You will gain nothing if your wheel turns out fine, but you'll ruin your game if it doesn't. That's it. Bye. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and also check out my trading cards game, Godwrath. The links of the game can be found in the description box below. Thanks. Bye.